Everybody's going crazy about Swedish meatballs. Eh ako, hindi ako makapunta, kaya today gagawa tayo nito. Swedish meatballs, of course!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
To go along with my Swedish meatballs, I'm making mashed potatoes. And I'm just making enough for two. And I'm already boiling my pot of water. Diba ang ganda na aking green Max Flex pots and pans. Para mabilis siya, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Dice ko lang siya. Mas mabilis, di ba? Water, season with salt, add my potatoes. Yan. And I will add a clove of garlic whole. Yan, that's done. And I will do my meatballs. What I will do, I'll combine my ground beef and ground pork. And I will just season with salt. Salt generously. Nutmeg. Not too much. 3 pinches of nutmeg. I like the flavor of nutmeg. And allspice. 1 pinch halos. I'll add onions muna. So I have minced onions. I will also add, ito, may isang garlic pa ko dito. I will just add, ito, breadcrumbs. Yan. I will also add an egg, isang egg lang. And I will just add around 2 tablespoons of cream. Yan. Very simple. Yan lang siya, no? Yan. Mix it all together. Of course, you have to wash your hands properly. No bashing. Kami lang kakain dalawa sa bahay. I have to add black pepper. So I'll just wash my hands. Black pepper, freshly cracked. You can use this same meatball for spaghetti, di ba? You can use it for patties, burger na halong pork and beef. Slap ito para maging bouncy siya. And I will just like add oil into my pan. We don't want our meatballs to be very big. We just want it to be, you know, mini meatballs so they cook with quickly. Yan. That's one way to do. Just roll it with your hands. You can also use a spoon. But what I like to do, I'll just show you. I'll just get a little bit of water so that when I roll it, it's going to have a smoother exterior. Diba? Look at that. Very nice. So I want it to be a bit brown kasi the caramelization will really help the development of the flavor. Beautiful. Yan. Very nice. Ang bango na. Alam mo, a lot of our cold cuts kasi has nutmeg. Kaya, hindi mo alam na kumakain ka ng hotdog, may nutmeg siya. Kaya when you eat dishes with nutmeg, ganadong-ganado ka kasi nakasanayan na natin yung spice na yan, but not very obviously, no? So, ito siya. Look at that. It's nice. It's getting brown even. I'll check on my potatoes. Oh, lambot na siya, di ba? Perfect timing, ha? Luto pa kasi I really like my potatoes to be really tender. And I have some broccoli here. Peel my carrots. So I will just remove my potatoes. Bakit ko tinatanggal yung potato at hindi ko na itapon? Because I will use the same water to blanch my vegetables. So I don't have to waste time and waste gas na magpakulo ako ng bagong tubig. Potatoes there. And now I will add butter. Bango-bango. Yan. I'll add flour. Around a tablespoon of flour lang. Yan. Toss. Flour in my butter. Toss everything. Look at that, no? I'll put my water back to a boil. Add my carrots first. Cook our flour in the butter for a minute or so. Then I add my instant, no, beef stock. Yan. Yan. Let that simmer to reduce. Yan. Happy, di ba? So, first, I will make sure that my garlic is mashed kasi iba yung texture ng garlic, di ba? It's not like the potato. So, I mash that. I will add my butter. Butter is good. Yan. Mash everything. Be sure that your garlic is mashed, ha? Di pwedeng hindi mashed. And I like my mashed potatoes to be a little bit chunky. Yan. Oh, my mashed potatoes are there. Season with salt. I don't add pepper para wala siyang black spots. And I will add my cream. Yan. 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream. You can add like Parmesan cheese here. Oh, wow. Yan, my meatballs are done. Turn down the heat or turn it off. And I will just add around a tablespoon or a little bit more of cream. Look at that. And season a little bit with salt. Konting pitik ng salt. Black pepper. Yan. No, so, usually when I add my cream, hindi ko na siya pinapakulo. Unless you're using good quality cooking cream, you can allow your cream to boil or simmer. Pero hindi ka sigurado, you're not using cooking cream, you're just using all-purpose cream. I suggest, wag mo nang pakuluan yung inyong cream para hindi siya mag-curdle. Kasi sometimes nakikita natin, di ba? May parang blemishes, no? My carrots are cooked. I like my carrots to be malambot, ha? That's why inuna ko siya. But for you, if you want it to be medyo crunchy, it's up to you. Add my broccoli. I also like my vegetables to be cooked. May crunch, pero cooked. Hindi yung lasang raw. Matter of taste. Let that cook. My mashed potatoes are done. Yan. Rustic lang, no? Don't have to overdo your plating. So, 6 meatballs for me. Yan. Happy, happy, happy. Look at that. With our gravy. And, look at that, ha? Vegetables are done. I don't have to put them in ice water because I'm serving it right away. All I will do now is I will throw out the liquid, put it back, get a teaspoon of butter. Oh my God, so much butter today. Pero it's a happy day. We want our food to be masarap. Toss it in the butter. If you want to season it with salt, additional salt, you may, pero ako hindi na because it was blanched in salted water. Add my vegetables to the side. I love pepper, so I will only add pepper here to my meatballs to finish. And konting chopped parsley to complete the Swedish meatball experience. Dapat meron siyang sort of fruit jam. I have here like cherry jam, gawa ni Mami. And here it is, my version of Swedish meatballs. Simpol!